Hey, this is Chris Trapani, the Mortgage Pro. People come to me all the time. Chris, I'm self-employed. I write everything off. I know, I see their income taxes and it shows they make $2,000 a year when they grossed $100,000. Yep, they're not qualified to buy chewing gum. But we do have some programs for people if they put a little bit more money down. One of them is becoming pretty common in the marketplace today. What it is usually put 15% or 20% or more down. And what we'll do is we'll look at 12 months or 24 months bank statements. And we'll look at how much is going into that bank every single month. And we're going to average it over a period of time. We have those programs for business accounts as well as for personal accounts. Now, we can qualify people if they put maybe 20% down with reasonable credit by doing that. But please don't expect a 5 or 5.5% interest rate or the going rate. That's for people who prove every single thing with a Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, VA, or FHA loan. That's not what you have. You have an alternative documentation loan, so be prepared to pay a higher rate. Now, for those of you who maybe came into a lump of money, maybe you can't show the monthly basis of income in a normal way how most people would think about it. I have an incredible program. See, a few years ago, after the meltdown, there was a rule called ability to repay. It was put into law, and the ability to repay must be proven in one way or another. As an example, if we can't prove with income taxes and pay stubs, maybe we could prove with the 12 months bank statements or 24 months bank statements like I spoke about. But this one program will not require that you prove your income. It's not going to ask for 12 months bank statements. It's not going to ask for pay stubs. It's not going to ask for W-2s and taxes. It's going to ask for a statement showing you have enough money to put down. Now, this is a 35% minimum down payment. That's what alleviates the risk, is you're putting a bunch of money down. But if you put that money down, we run your credit, we see that you have enough money in a bank statement or a stock statement to put as a down payment. If you can do that and show that you have adequate reserves, and that depends on how much you put down and what your credit score is, we can close that loan in 10 days. What do you mean? Yes, really. This is not a stated income. We don't even state your income for this program. Our company has gotten a special license in order to be able to do this loan. And it is, again, not going to be a 5.5% to a 5% fixed interest rate. It is going to be an adjustable rate. And because you don't pay your taxes or you don't show your taxes, you have to take this loan. Now, it gives you an opportunity. 6 months. Hey, you do your taxes. You show your income. We can refinance you out of it if that's what you want to do. So no more of the days when, hey, I cannot buy a house because I don't show any income. There are alternatives. You call me, Chris Trapani. Tell me your situation. Let's see what we can do. Let's fire your landlord.